Welcome to the Independent Provider Toolkit. We're so glad you're here. In this short introduction video, we'll walk through initial account setup and make sure you're making the most of your free account. The first thing you'll want to do is update your phone number and DODD provider number in the My Profile tab. If you're not already there, head over to My Profile. Click the pencil icons to update these two fields, clicking the green check mark to save your updates. Scroll down to My Certification and enter the date of your most recent DODD certification. This way, the system can send important notifications as deadlines approach. Let's also update our annual training preferences. Click Go to Training. As an independent provider, we have a few different options. If you're newly certified, that makes it simple. Just choose this first option. Otherwise, you'll need to decide between one of the other two options. Here, let's assume that we plan to take the all-in-one 8-hour course. You'll get a link to the course. Once you've completed the course, you can come back here, mark the training complete, and upload your certificate for record keeping. Next, we'll head over to the Setup tab. The first thing we'll do here is establish a record for the client we're providing services to. Click the New Client button. Fill in the required information. Then click Create Client Record. Next, we'll set up the site where we normally provide services to Sean. We'll add Sean to this site and click Save. Now that we've established a site, we can start creating mileage and timekeeping records. Let's head over to the Timekeeping tab. Click Create Time Entry to start logging shifts. We'll select Sean's home as our site. Timekeeping records consist of the shift itself, along with one or more corresponding shift segments. Let's say we worked with Sean today from noon to 8. We'll set that as the shift time. Now, we'll click New to add a shift segment. A single shift segment will populate for the entirety of the shift. In most cases, you'll keep this as is and save the segment. In special circumstances, some folks will have multiple shift segments within one shift, perhaps in cases where the service type or service ratio changes mid-shift. For now, we'll keep this as is and log the shift. Click Save Entry to save it. Now, click Create Mileage Entry. Again, we select our site. We'll keep today's date. Let's select Sean as our passenger. We'll enter our license plate, mileage, and location information, and then a reason for the outing. Then just click the bottom button to save the entry. Now, let's click View Time and Mileage Entries to confirm. You can edit the week's start date at the top to view any week's information. This looks good. We can see that the system has logged our shift and transportation. At the end of the week, we'll come in and log in on a computer or tablet where we can generate the full week's billing sheet for our records. That, my friends, is how you make the most of your free IP Toolkit account. If you're interested in supercharging your productivity, consider upgrading to the IP Pro plan. Be sure to check out the videos on the billing and documentation tabs to see how it all works. Reach out to us anytime with questions or comments, and keep up the great work.